Good evening and welcome to GSTIFE India. I'm Lakshmi, bringing you a significant Delhi High Court judgment. This ruling has profound implications for manufacturers, retailers, and all consumers across India. The Delhi High Court held that reducing GST on a product, then increasing its quantity while keeping the same MRP, amounts to deception. This practice defeats the purpose of passing tax benefits to consumers, as the court emphasized benefits must translate into a price reduction. Simply put, you cannot hide tax cut benefits by adding more product instead of lowering the price. This ruling emerged from a petition by Sharma Trading Company, a distributor for Hindustan Unilever, or HUL. In 2017, GST on certain HUL products, like Waistline, was reduced from 28% to 18%. Sharma Trading argued they increased product quantity by 100 milliliters to absorb the benefit, keeping the MRP unchanged. The National Anti-Profiteering Authority, NAPA, found the benefit was not passed to consumers and ordered penal action. The petitioner challenged this, claiming increased quantity justified the MRP, but the Delhi High Court rejected this defense. Key findings include a mandatory price drop when GST rates are lowered. Businesses cannot use volume increases or freebies as substitutes. The court held that increasing quantity while maintaining MRP is a deception that limits consumer choice. While transitional challenges for manufacturers are acknowledged, they do not override consumer rights. The Anti-Profiteering Authority can order price reductions, demand return of undue benefits with interest, and direct deposits into the Consumer Welfare Fund. They can also impose penalties and cancel GST registration for non-compliant entities. A crucial point, after 1st April 2025, no new anti-profiteering cases will be entertained. This ruling strengthens the anti-profiteering regime under Section 171 of the CGST Act, 2017. Businesses must recalibrate all pricing, discount, and promotional schemes with GST rate changes, as existing schemes must also be adjusted. Mere volume manipulation or packaging adjustments are not valid defenses. Entities must operate with transparent accounting and pricing, ensuring consumers see the benefit in cash in hand, not disguised. The threat of GST registration cancellation adds a severe deterrent to non-compliance. For consumers, this is a win. If a business fails to pass on benefits, complaints can be raised and enforced via the Anti-Profiteering Authority, GSTAT, for legacy cases. This ruling signals that GST cuts must meaningfully reach consumers. From GSTIFE India, I'm Lakshmi. Keep watching for updates on GST, consumer rights, and market oversight.